Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si JomarX, and today we'll be reviewing the Lehui Kriss Vector Kids Edition. This one is a loaner from Hydroblasters MNL in the description, and I wanted to try this one because I already have the semi-rare here in the Philippines Kriss Vector High-End Edition. Ta-da! And I'm interested in how different it is from the kids edition, and I was surprised. First, quality. uh this one is a cheaper version, around 2000 something, I forgot. It's made of ABS. It's different from the high-end version, which is nylon, so it feels very plasticky, stick. And the trades is printed fast stop shoot and the funny Kriss BCC Tour and present 45 ECP. So that's the trades. For the features, uh, it doesn't have much. It's it lost the tri-burst function. Most probably has no computerized MOSFET anymore. What it has, excuse me, semi and full auto. The thing is, here on the grip is the battery. Again, it's a sealed type, but it's at 11.1. So that's different. Especially this is a kid's blaster, so that was surprising. It comes with a flashlight, laser, which is adjustable. There are knobs here that you can use to adjust, and a multicolor Spitfire, which is nice considering this is cheap. It comes with a flip-up sight and a very clear, big 556, 551 EOTech clone. This is somewhat a co-witness, so it's nice. But again, there's no lights there, so for the battery space, there's no options for upgrades for the battery because this is a shield type, so it only accept this one. But then again, you can probably open this up and change the battery with the bigger ones. BB capacity, surprisingly, this is the same for the high-end Kriss Vector. So this one is compatible with this one. Oh, this one has a prime mag. So amazing. So this is not enough. You can still find this one for cheaps. Less than 1K. Wait. Okay. Light. It's barely a kilo, but it looks nice. And it still have that flaw that if you see, it will hit you in the face. The locking mechanism, not so good. But if you lock this up, it should not, because there's a lock here. FPS, this is surprisingly 140 FPS for a kid's blaster. So it's fairly strong. Again, range again is low FPS, so without the hop, it barely reaches the 200 FPS. No. Yeah, 10-meter range. But if you again tilt it up a little bit, it will reach it. You can see it on my shorts. Price for 2,600. It is cheap. This one was around 6,000. Around 6,000 3 years ago. This was my first gel blaster. So if you cannot find this, This is a good alternative. It's functionally the same. See? Same. Same. Different lengths in this one, but that's basically it. But everything else looks so similar. Yeah. Well, as far as I know, kids like the vector because in PUBG. So if you're going to give this to a child, they'll be very happy. Even though it's not upgradable, it is fine. Uh, it has a tracer, no, not tracer, a Spitfire, laser, and light. Children will be happy for this one. Kids at heart, depends. Some people want upgraded units. So this is not a good option if you want to upgrade. Oh, and the weird thing is it uses big gels. If it's smaller, it will misfeed. But bigger gels, it will feed well. Most probably because of the design. Anywho, if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!